OOPZILLA. Okay, so what? We have letters A, B, and C. Doesn't change a thing. We can still find the determinant for this first, and then we can go ahead and solve for these right here. And remember, like I said, I'm not going to show all the work. I'm just going to set you up, and you can do that on your own time, because it would be taking at least a half an hour problem or something like that. Okay, so now let's do that. So the first one, to find the determinant, I'm just going to grab the coefficients on this side. That's 3, then B, another 3, and then the 4. That's going to be 3, 5, and a 9. And then come on down, it's going to be 5, 9, and 17. And then I'm going to put a minus sign because I know that's coming. We've worked these so many times. Okay, and let's see. That's 1, and then move over for the next one. Okay, I'm going to put those in again. 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 9, 5, 9, 17. I'm just grabbing the coefficients, and that's going to be 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 9, 5, 9, and then 17 again. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and solve this. So I can circle this guy, and circle this guy. And then draw a line straight through, like that, through my circles. Okay, now I can take the 3 that's circled, and let me do that one right there. Let's see. Yes, it's going to be 3, and then I can take the 5, 9, and the 9 and 17, 5, and the 9, and the 9, and 17, and then I have a minus on the 3 right here, and then I'm going to have, what, 3, 4, 9, and 17, and then I'm going to take this last one right here, and I'm going to have, what, a 5 plus a 5, move this out the way. It's going to be 3, 4, 5, and 9. And let me check my notes. Absolutely correct. Now, let's see here. Let me slide this down a little bit so I can have some room. Slid that stuff up way too far. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do this guy right here. So that's going to be 3 times 5 times 7, which is, what the heck? Oh, I'm sure it will be 17. I'm like, that's not right. 5 times 7 is 85. Then minus this 81. Going in this direction. Okay, we've done these many times. I'm just working them out. I'm trying to like let you figure out the next move a little bit. This times this is going to give me 51 times minus this times this. It's going to give me a 36. And then this right here is going to be plus 5. This times this is going to give me 27. Then minus this times this is 20. And once you do all the math right here, I'm not going to do it for you. It's going to be equal to, your determinant is going to be equal to 2. Make sure that's correct. Absolutely. So the determinant is equal to 2. Now, with that said, let's get rid of this stuff. I'm going to set you up for solving for A, B, and C. I'm not going to do it because, for one, again, it takes way too much time, and I don't have that kind of space. Okay, so now solve for A. A is equal to, okay, put the determinant on the bottom, which is 2. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put in our pieces. That's going to be 3. Actually, what I'm going to do is it's not going to be 3. This part right here takes the place, this 1, 2, and the 4 takes the place of this guy right here. So let's go ahead. It's going to be 1, 2, and a 4. Then I could get the coefficients of 3, 5, and 9, 4, 9, and 17. Then rewrite this whole thing over again. My goodness. I mean, the thing is that it works. It's very repetitive and actually pretty simple once you start doing just a few of them. I mean, it's all the same after a while. It's like, okay, well, there's no more magic left. Okay, because it's basically just following the same old, it's like baking a cake. They gave you the recipe. Now you just have to go ahead and keep trying to bake the same cake with different flavors. Okay, so now we have that, and hopefully I wrote everything down correctly. Now you just circle this, circle this, circle this, draw a line straight through your circle, 2 of them like that. Now when you solve for this, you're going to find out that A is going to be equal to 2. This is going to be equal to 2 up top. Let me move this over. It's going to be equal to 2. up top, but you also got to remember there's a 2 on the bottom, so A is going to be equal to 1. So that's A. Now let's go ahead and try to find B. Okay, trying to move fast here. Okay, still going to have a 2 on the bottom. Leave myself some space, put the minus, just go ahead and put it in. We know it's going to be there. Okay, now I'm going to take this right here and put it in the middle. So I'm going to have 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4. Now put the stuff on the outside around it. That's going to be 3, 3, 5, 4, 9, and 17, 3, 3, 5, 4, 9, and 17, 3, 3, 5, 4, 9, and 17. And then, of course, to solve this for B, of course, you're going to take that one, and that one. Basically taking the same row and just circling but moving over as you do it. Put your hash marks down through it, like that, and then solve the normal way for solving these determinants, and we'll give you an answer. And your B is going to be equal to, actually what's going to happen is you're going to get a -4. This is going to be -4 all divided by 2, which is going to give you a -2. Okay, one more. Solving for C. Okay. Man, these things take forever. I would have been happy just doing just a few of them. Okay, now, remember, got a 2 in the denominator. And again, the same old repetitive stuff again. My goodness. Good thing I did work these out because I work them out ahead of time, so it's not like I didn't do it myself either. So now I'm going to take this and put it on the end. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Then take these and put them in front, the coefficients. It's going to be 3 and a 3, 3 and a 5, 5 and a 9, 3 and a 3, 3 and a 5, 5 and a 9, 3 and a 3, 3 and a 5, 5 and a 9. Circle that, circle that, circle that. Voila, check it out. Just like that. And then once you solve that again, you're going to get your C value. Actually, this is supposed to be C, little c. You're going to get a C of this whole thing up here is going to turn into a 2. And then, of course, you got a 2 down here, which means C is basically equal to 1. And that's your answer for this problem. OOPZILLA.